the film, the awards, but hindi lagi nakikita yung proseso. And it was very hard. Dahil nagkakabol kami, kulang kami sa oras, yung locations namin, sobrang layo, 6 hours from Manila. Pero, you know, lahat nagtulungan. Parang lahat, they gave everything in this project. They gave their heart in this project. So, naging madali lahat dahil nagtulungan. So, I guess yun yung pinaka-enjoy ko. Yung proseso na nakikipaglaban sa sarili mo na pagod na ako pero gusto ko pa. So, yun, and it's all worth it. Nakita naman natin, and I was very grateful na napili ako and naging part ako ng project na to.